Faheem Shaheen English Practice. Welcome to Faheem Shaheen channel. Improving your spoken English takes practice, consistency, and the right strategies. Here's a clear, structured approach to help you improve effectively. Build a daily speaking habit. Practice 15 to 30 minutes daily. Speak out loud even if you are alone. Talk to yourself, describe your day, make plans or comments on things around you. Practice with others. Join speaking clubs, online platforms like Toastmaster or local groups. Conversation tutors. Consider platforms like italki or Preply for structured speaking. Ask questions too. Learn how to keep a conversation going. What about you? How was your day? Do you like music? Can you tell me more? Practice making small talk, asking and answering personal or everyday questions. Thinking in English, not translate. Try describing things around English in your head. This is a chair, it's brown, I sit on it when I work. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.